my car has a few problems. Why am I not surprised? So the car doesn't idle properly. It keeps revving up and down. Frankly, it's making a weird noise. So I think it's safe to say, welcome back to episode 20 of brand new used car, where I fixed my 2012 BMW F30 328i, which I bought 2 years ago in a supposedly perfect condition. But if I've made 20 episodes fixing it, you can guess how great the condition has been. And for those of you who don't know, this is my first car that I bought when I was 19 years old. And this is the car that I sold to get this. So for the first time in 2.5 years, both of these cars are together, which makes me really excited because I missed that car. It had some issues and it's already fixed by Kogu at Z Auto Service. So let's go ahead and check what's wrong with this. Bro, the car is not low, right? Just go, bro. Don't worry, it's fine.
Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot.
Oh my god. This is easy, bro. The car is not that low. What kind of a crazy person daily drives this car?
I really cannot.
You know, actually, going up is easy. Coming down is what can break the lip. And it's already loose. We have to tighten it. Next time I'll buy carbon so it definitely breaks. Easy. Wasn't even that hard for me to do this. This car is the most reliable car on the face of the planet. Is what I dream about every single night. So if you don't already know, this has been the best car any owner could have asked for. We've done a little bit of work to it in terms of just a little more than a few oil changes. We've basically changed everything around the engine, and we've also changed everything inside the engine. And I thought the car is perfect and it's done, and there are no more problems, and it's gonna be reliable forever, and I won't get to see my lovely mechanic anymore. But that was false. Yeah. The world is not fair, neither is BMW. Apparently there is another common failure with these engines. This is a 2012 BMW F30 328i, and it has a double Vanos system, which apparently can fail and is a common issue. And it's not something that we have done yet, which we are gonna do today. When you stop the car and you're still in gear, the car shakes like it wants to go. And I think that's a good thing, because right, the car is so fast that it can't stop. Apparently, you know, workshops keep wanting to sell you on more stuff. They're telling me that I have a Valvetronic system issue, and not the good one, not the nice one from the exhaust, fancy, like actually inside the engine. Since I'm a professional, we are gonna start the work and not pay labor to these workshops. Oh my God, I think I f***ed something up. I heard a noise. Oh. The hose. Oh my God! I think I drove way too fast on my way here. You know when your car brakes, you know what you should do, right? When you have a drivetrain error and everything. You know what's the first thing you have to do?
What is that?
Red line.
Oh, what is this? Drivetrain! Yes, what happened? What is this? Ah!
Tell the car who's boss. Bro, I'm not letting you touch this thing. I'm not paying for labor. And I bought my own parts. Okay. I did not buy my own parts. I don't even know what I have to buy. Oh my God, this is hot. Then you take this off, sound deadening. Like, why would you need something like this? This is a race car. Bro, do you have some water to spill on the engine to cool it down? Okay, that's as far as I knew. Back in the day, when my wrap was still nice, we would like put a layer of plastic on it, and we would be very nice to the car. Look at it now.
Oh my God.
I love my car in an abusive kind of way.
Okay, done.
Done.
One more.
I'm a professional. This?
No.
Oh, this. Oh my God. It's not that hot. Not used to doing hard things. I'm a professional. No? Let's cut that. It's stuck. Oh my God. Just pull. Are you sure? Wow. It's gonna look like I did all of this, but I didn't. This engine looks damn clean. Look at this timing chain. Tight as fuck. Should really stop touching this. We are so close to me leaving. As you can see, this is almost done. So why is my car ripping? Like,
Valvetronic Motor doesn't work properly.
Doesn't work properly, yeah. So the cam doesn't move. Would that damage the engine?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
No, it doesn't. And the fact that I drove this car for 2 weeks with this problem did not do any damage. the fact that I redlined the car did not do any. I didn't redline the car. 5,000 RPM. But the engine looks very clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks as if it was just rebuilt.
Yeah, correct.
When am I due for an oil change?
Now, how many kilometers?
After your thing, maybe 4,000? 5? Now?
No, the engine.
Change the engine.
N55.
No, I was here for an oil change.
55.
N55, because N55 is reliable. Apparently, I'm being upsold to an N55. Is that something that you guys sell here?
N55.
N55? Then fine. So first, they will tell you to rebuild the engine, and then they will tell you to buy a new engine, so that after this, they can charge you for fixing the new N55, because he knows that this doesn't have any issues, which means he won't get to see me anymore.
Yeah, bro.
Honestly, right now, I can beat a stock N55. We can try it with the conversion you're doing next.
Okay.
When it's stock, I'm gonna beat him because of his M3 body kit. Loses speed because it's fake. You know who you are. Get a BMW. It's cheap to fix. It actually is. If you're rich, which I'm not, the trick is come to Z Auto Service. Services are very affordable. So we are taking out the injector. As you've seen in the previous video, it's like hold it straight. Okay, only straight stuff here. Wow, I'm getting really good at this. Yeah. Is it because I'm straight? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I am a professional.
Right, bro.
Enough? Oh my god. What kind of material is your back made of, bro?
Condemn, bro. I think yours is still good. Oh. You're getting pain.
Yeah. Yours is, don't even feel anything anymore.
Yeah.
I think very soon if I keep working on my car, it's gonna be like that. Get the N55 or build a 400 horsepower N20.
Get the N25. You can build more than
600?
Yeah.
But what if I beat an M4 with this engine on Sepang? Still nobody cares. Nobody cares. People will care for 5 seconds. They'll be like, wow, okay. And do a video with like a whole Z Auto sticker. N20 built by Z Auto can beat an M4 on Sepang. And then come back to the workshop because put the engine through that much load, it's probably not gonna last very long. Can this do 400? More than 100 more. Like a big fat turbo. I guess we will never know until we push it.
Will be safe, bro, for 400.
Safe? What do you mean safe? It's gonna explode?
I don't know, the engine can handle 400.
Then we can make more videos. Bro, it's forced piston, it's sleeved.
Yeah, but I think 400 is
Too much? What do you think is gonna break first? There is nothing that's not strong enough. His heart. Okay, this was easy, like 5-minute job. You pay the bill and then start the car, go back home. Easy. I mean, it is amazing how easy BMW makes it to work on these cars. This is insanely easy. All we needed to do is take off all the covers and everything, then take off the spark plugs, the coil packs, take off fuel rail, take off the valve cover, take off the injectors, just to get to a small, tiny motor that moves the cam. Very easy. The labor for this is probably around, I would say, what you would pay for French fries, depending on which country you're at. So how would I know if this is actually broken?
this one.
Okay.
You can spin like this. This one very hard to.
Okay. I have a question from you.
Yeah.
Because I posted a story on my Instagram. Some guy made a very uneducated statement. Could rebuilding the engine or remapping the car have caused this?
No.
This is a common issue.
I have car without mapping or rebuild. Also, this one failed.
Yeah. So this sits on top of here. Its job is to move this shit over here. This shit, right? Has nothing to do with the bottom of the engine. And the bottom of the engine is what we built.
Yeah.
And the bottom of the engine is what moves to go faster.
Yeah.
Has nothing to do with any of this. So, faulty Valvetronic, not faulty Valvetronic. Faulty Valvetronic doesn't move. This is
Jam.
completely jammed.
Yeah.
Why have I been driving this car? This can't be good. Does my engine have warranty? The engine that you rebuilt? Non-faulty Valvetronic. This shit moves. It's completely jammed.
Completely dead.
I probably shouldn't have driven the car so hard. I did not drive it hard. Just a few pulls an hour. So, this will move the cams.
Yeah.
And what does the cam do?
Advance the timing.
Advance the timing.
Yeah.
So if the timing is not advanced,
Like Honda VTEC.
what happens if the timing is not advanced?
When you pick up, then this motor will help you push the car.
So I lose power.
Yeah, like this.
This car, as much as I love it, loves you more. It's a one-way relationship,
Yeah.
you know?
Bro, what do you think about the conversion?
N55.
Yeah.
Who's gonna pay for it? That's a big question. Flashlight.
Pulang ke dalam.
So now the motor is moving and it's moving the valves.
Cam.
Cam. So before this, the cam wasn't moving?
Not moving properly.
Oh.
Okay. What's the time now, bro?
The time is 2:30. We are racing against time to make sure that this car is done by 2:30. 2:27 now. Can this be done in 3 minutes? Plastic valve cover, BMW signature. Definitely do this. This saves you weight because this is a race car. 2-liter turbocharged race car. But I think it goes without saying, there is one question that everyone wants to know.
What is that?
Is there anything else left to fix in this car?
Got one more major job.
What?
Engine swap. What did you just say? Sell the car and then we find one B58 for this F30.
This is amazing financial and life advice here. So I should sell my 2023 BMW 5 Series, which is under warranty and it's in a perfect condition. Like, even though I broke it once and it was at BMW for a month, sell that perfectly reliable car that gets me from A to B quite slowly.
Sell that.
And get a B58 with the money for this.
Yeah, think about it.
Actually makes sense. Anybody wants a 530e 2023, perfect condition, probably needs a polish. Can we send my car to Bella for a polish? What are we gonna do? The car is saying Valvetronic system, no movement detected, which is for before. Now it's gonna make the movement, hopefully. So, powertrain, engine start, no, terminating the injector, startup following walnut blasting, startup of the oil circuit, startup Valvetronic. Oh, there's a lot of things we can do. Delete adaptations. What adaptation?
Engine.
Keychain errors are present, adjustment problems are present, control deviation errors are present, stop engine. It is stopped. Run engine at idle speed. Afterwards, continue. Should I start the car when his hand is there? Start! Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Start is extremely loud at cold start. Now it's fine. It's like a kid learning how to talk.
Yeah.
Sounds like me in the morning after I have some coffee. Oh my God! Number of cycles. Oh, so the car has to do 450 cycles and it's already done 50. So it will fart 450 times. And that is to adjust the Valvetronic motor and all the cams and everything.
Yeah.
So after this, can I drive the shit out of the car? Yeah? No more issues, but drivetrain. Car is fixed. The biggest challenge is now taking the car out of the shop. Thank you so much. I will go there to pay the bill. You have fun taking the car out. If you ever had any issues with your car, this is the place where you should come because this guy really knows what he's doing.
Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks.